Hi, my name is Nonima Dikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being part of this family. I really appreciate you. Here, we are the dynasty and we believe in justice. Fair justice, we believe in that. So that is why we do this. That is why this channel is here, because we want to make sure and see Uguti. No, man, our views are uh, expressed in a better manner, in a better way, and we see what's going on in our country, especially when it comes to these high profile cases and how people get arrested and stuff, and how things go left, right, south, north, whatsoever. But we just want to be people that are there to observe all of that. Anyway, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on my channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you will be supporting this channel financially and in numbers. And thank you so much for being part of this family. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you guys. Now, the first video for today that I did was me showing you what happens at Twitter during the day when the court is in progress and the proceedings are busy. Now I am on Facebook and I'm gonna read you what people are saying there. Ne? Unfortunately, I'm more on those groups and places where people are like, there were no intruders in that house. Those are the comments that I read. I do not care about the other people because I believe there were no intruders in their house. All right. Now, this is the first person that I find on Facebook. Oti, Advocate Baloyi is aware that Advocate Mnisi is cornering Brigadier Gininda to concede that it is unfair. It is an unfair case against the 5 accused if Kelly Khumalo is not part of the accused. The partially accepted confessions, which are part of case 636, demand that Kelly Khumalo, as the alleged mastermind behind the death of Senzo Meyiwa, to be part of the accused. It will be unfair to prosecute the 5 and leave Kelly Khumalo out. Advocate Mnisi is pushing for Brigadier Gininda to accept that the state's case is weak if Kelly Khumalo is not part of the accused, and he, Brigadier Gininda, has failed as part of the investigating team to positively link her to the accused. That is the reason why the NPA declined to sign the warrant of arrest for Kelly Khumalo. Up to today, the Ginindas have failed to link Kelly and the accused, and so it is premature for the likes of Baloyi to continue with the case, with Kelly Khumalo being absent from court. Oh, so it was not something that he wrote. He copied somewhere else, this person. All right. Just like I am reading here. And then someone commented and said, Urata experience judge of 50 years, akayiboni lonto oyena kade egwebile kwa state bebengazi ukuba kuzofikelelwa apha qha kowayesendlini ukusweleka kukaSenzo makazilungiselele aphelile amahlathi ukucasha. And then Omunye Uti agree if they have not enough on Kelly, why arresting the accused? She is also mentioned in alleged confessions. Some of the accused is arrested because of the confession, nothing else. So why not Kelly? And then Omunye responds at, yes, of course, if they fail to arrest the mastermind that they know, why they arrest the others as the suspect. And those are the questions that the NPA needs to respond to. They really do. And then Omunye Uti, my point of view, why should Baloyi always object when factual questions are being asked? And on the other side, Gininda doesn't or don't keep in line of answering questions. What he does, he has lots of explanation that he has got even to an that he has got even to an yes or no question. He is not at court to defend anyone. Reason for him being at court is to assist so that we all can know what occurred the evening of that someone has lost his life, but not just someone. If he is being tried, if he is trying to protect someone, tables might turn around. Rather put potatoes on the table than being later, sorry. But please don't forget, we still got more testimonies that are on the witness list. That was hard to read. Sibonga kuye. But Brigadier Gininda mentioned that NPA didn't sign the warrant of arrest, so them, as the investigation was ready to make an arrest. Gininda mentioned that on trial within a trial. Someone responds and say, Gininda gave the NPA wrong memorandum. So NPA told Gininda to go make further investigation on Kelly Coman. So Honorable Advocate Ms. want to know, did he go to make further investigation on Kelly? The answer is yes or no, but Gininda will take 10 years to say yes or no. And then Omunye Uti, so if the same NPA or Gininda can tomorrow decide to arrest Kelly, what's going to happen? Will that part of confessions that said Kelly hired the guys to kill Senzo Meyiwa going to stand and still take another 14 years to retest anyway? Omunye Uti, I don't see Kelly being arrested because everything was cooked and she will tell the truth. And Umakumalo will tell the truth, guys. Omunye, he said, I don't know why warrant of arrest was not signed by NPA because the investigation led them to Kelly. So now it's clear that contractual agreement. That's what he says. And then Omunye Uti, that's true. Omunye Uti, indeed, it's astonishing that the well-known mastermind behind Senzo's death by Gininda is not in the dock with the other accused. But the real problem in this case is presiding officer Rata. He's trying to mend what's already broken. Omonye Baloyi says there is a murder and the 5 accused are on trial for murder as per indictment. The conspiracy to kill doesn't reflect on the indictment and this exonerates Kelly. That is why Mrs. stressed that contractual killing on this case is irrelevant and Gininda has accepted. The only evidence the only evidence the state has on this case is the murder weapon and the alleged cell phone calls, which are also doubtful. DNA tests have excluded the 5 accused from the crime scene, which case 375 backs. The narrative that there were no intruders on the fateful night and the people who were in the house should be arrested. NPA chose case 636 over case 375. The case was over from this day on the clip. What is being said on the clip? Let's hear it.
To Mr. Ramasipuli's question, you say you can only say the DNA profile on the rim of the head exclude the suspect. The fact that on certain loci you were able to reach the suspects into the DNA profile, is that of any significance?
My lord, the fact that I read you not in all the DNA regions, it has significance because if I don't read you in all the DNA regions, it means you are excluded. For us to include you, we need to include you in all the DNA regions.
Well, you should see his hands. You should see how he wow, no, waphelelwa ngamandla ke ubaloyi kuleyo ndawo. Waphelelwa ngamandla. Let's see omunye uthini. Siyabonga Mnisi ubaveza kancane kancane lamanga abo. Omunye uthi NPA is the biggest scam here. We will always say NPA because people are working for NPA, you know. And then omunye uthi that's 100% truth. NPA is omunye uthi that's so true. And then NPA uthi omunye, NPA is not a scam. They have realized that the evidence that brought by investigating team is nonsense. It doesn't qualify them to arrest Kelly Khumalo. It will put them in more trouble than they already in. But why then this case is it on the court roll? Why? If we are going to excuse NPA, then why is the case in the courtroom? Omunye athi triple hearsay and put the blame on the man who can't respond for himself and say the defense must lie on the bed they made themselves. I bafit. Omunye athi actually this is only formality and time wasting. This case was concluded by the state a long time ago. Rata, as a retired judge, has nothing to lose on this case. He is going to sentence these guys, knowing very well that they will appeal and he won't be part of that. Instead, he will be enjoying his extra pension, like it or not. Omunye bathi they can report him to the Judicial Council. He can lose his benefits. True. Omunye, that's why leli cala lingayindawo kufuneka ukukhulela umgoqo wemechi. Hey, kunzima guys, kula case. Kunzima. Omunye uthi Advocate Mnisi is going to end Baloyi's career. Baloyi is over for you. Mnisi is nailing them. So proud of him. But Mnisi is dealing with the procedure, guys. Exposing Baloyi through Gininda. There is no case here, just waste of time. Let it be. So sad to put innocent people in jail for nothing. It is the way they get their promotions. When they say Iminieza Nakuwe, they meant it. Baloyi thought he's untouchable with the help of that Scuffy. It says Baloyi right so that the whole world can see what kind of an advocate Baloyi is. Those accused are going to sue the state. Okay, let me look. Lastly, Jay, let me look for that guy. Oba what? Obe. Lebu. Isn't he there? Okay, then I guess he did not post yesterday. There. Okay. He did not post anything. Yeah, he did not post. Anyway, we'll check out today if he posts anything and then we'll comment on that. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. That was what Facebook people are saying. Enjoy your day further. Have a good day. Bye-bye.